everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to use the video editor in Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then choose a video and click on it. Now click on the scissors icon on the left and then select Editor. This will take you to the video creation page. Here you can choose to add media to your video. You can choose from the stock provided by Vimeo. You can add a video from your uploads, or you can click on upload to upload a video, or you can choose a video from your library. And to add a video to your existing video, just click on it, or you can drag it to the timeline. And here, click on templates if you want to add a template to your video. You can add text, graphics. Choose to add music from the library provided by Vimeo, or you can upload your own video or audio. Here you can customize your colors, and here you can add a logo, add colors, add fonts, and upload intros and outros. After finishing, click on Save. And that's it. Now you know how to use the video editor. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.